Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English Step by Step. Today I am going to continue with fourth parts of speech, that is adjectives. Firstly, we will discuss about objectives. Student will learn about adjectives and how they are used to describe nouns. Student will also learn how including adjectives into their sentences can improve their writing skills. Students will explain the purpose and types of adjectives. Student will compose adjectives. Definition of adjective. An adjective describes or modifies nouns, pronouns in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feeling, content, and more about noun or pronoun. Examples are: I have 10 candies in my pocket. I love that red dress. Types of adjectives: descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, proper adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, indefinite adjectives, articles, and last is compound adjectives. First is descriptive adjectives. A descriptive adjective is the word which describes noun and pronouns. Most of the adjectives belong in this type. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the nouns or pronouns they modify or describe. Descriptive adjectives are also called qualitative pronouns. Examples are: I have a fast car. I saw a flying kite. Quantitative adjectives. A quantitative adjectives provide information about the quantity of the noun or pronoun. These type belongs to the question category of how much and how many. Examples are: I have 20 bucks in my wallet. They have 3 bikes. Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are the adjective form of proper nouns. When proper nouns modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Proper means specific rather than formal or polite. Examples are: American cars are very strong. Germany people are hard workers. Demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective directly refers to something or someone. Demonstrative adjectives include the words this, that, these, those. This building is so gorgeously decorated. These cats are cute. Possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone or something. Some of most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, are, their, own, and your. Examples are: my car is parked outside. Her books are interesting. Interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective asks a question. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. The interrogative adjectives are which, what, those. These words will not be considered as adjective if a noun doesn't follow right after them. Those whose also belongs to the possessive adjectives type. Examples are: which phone do you use? What game do you want to play? Whose car is this? An indefinite adjectives describes or modifies a noun unspecially. They provide indefinite and or unspecific information about the noun. The common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, and etc. I gave some candies to her. Each student will have to submit homework tomorrow. Articles. Articles also modify the nouns, so articles are also adjectives. Articles determine the specification of nouns a and an, are used to refer to an unspecific noun, and the is used to refer to a specific noun. Examples are: a cat is always afraid of water. The cat is afraid of me. Compound adjectives. When compound nouns combine words modify other nouns, they became a compound adjective. These type of adjective usually combines more than one word into a single lexical unit and modifies a noun. They are often separated by a hyphen or joined together by a quotation mark. I have broken down that I saw a 6 foot long snake. The degree of adjectives. There are three degrees of adjective: positive, comparative, superlative. These degrees are applicable only for the descriptive adjectives. Examples are: positive degree, he is a good boy; comparative degree, he is better than any other boy; superlative degree, he is the best boy. So thank you. If you like my channel, then subscribe my channel for further videos. Bye, take care.